How to create a private group on Emo app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to create a private group on your Emo app easy and quick. So first thing, go to your Emo app. Once you are here, click on your profile icon. So basically, if you have any problem in this app, go to help and feedback and search what kind of problem you have. For example, chat problems. Click on chat, and here you're gonna find a lot of problem solution. For example, we need to know how to create a private group. Click on it, and here they're gonna give you some steps. Open your email profile page, tap create group chat. In the menu, select group, private, and select contact. Click the arrows icon at the bottom and edit group name or skip this step. Now click, if this is help, click on the check icon. If it's not, click on X icon. So this is it guys. Hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe and like.